Newcastle Airport. How many bottles of vodka do you want? 5, wow. Everything you didn't know you wanted. I do quite like Newcastle Airport though. It's not quite as manic as others we've been in. Paco Rabanne. Favourite from years ago. Now, Marion would say that one is perfect for me. Bit of bad boy. Where did she go? See if we can find her. There she is. How are we doing? So you're sufficiently sprayed up? Let's go. Don't think I've ever seen the bars this empty. We stopping off for our usual meal deal then? Where do you want to go? Boots or Smith's? Aha, the shrine. Toon Toon. Quite like the blue and orange kit, quite nice. Gate 16 you said? Gate 16 it is. Glowy, isn't it? You having fun yet? Yeah. Are we in the inside too, are we? And me, such a little person.
I'm not particularly large, and this is quite nice.
Well.
Right, okay. Step.
So we've made good time. Must not feel good. Those brakes work anyway. Yeah.
Put it down quite gently, I thought, considering the wiggle, but the runway was just super short.
Well, we're here, that's the main thing.
Welcome to Majorca. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Now,
Have you got everything? You got everything? Thank you. Thanks a lot.